I'm going to talk about installing a AC190 or any of the trim sets to the HY19BO. Have a trim plate, basic core components, a trim plate, the handle, and the sleeve that goes through this guy. On this plate there's a gray rubber washer that serves as a friction washer to hold this into place. So you just slide this guy through here, and that gives it a good grip to hold it in place. There's no looseness here. Nice and tight. It's even hard to turn inside of it. And then to install it onto the wall, you would put it where the valve is, and then inside of this ring is this little step. You can see here at the tip of my finger. And that little step is what keeps this from sliding inside any further. And so as you line up the handle with the cartridge and you put the screw through the handle, again, this whole thing is held on by this getting pushed onto the shelf of this. You just tighten down this screw, and once this guy is nice and snug, everything stays on the wall nice and tight as such. Get that about hand tight. Slide that up against the wall. Again, this gray washer is what really keeps that thing from moving. I mean, there's going to be a little movement there, but you know, it's solid. It's not going anywhere. Turn this lever and good to go.